everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ann Scarberry, and today I'm going to be making a chocolate eclair dessert. If you grew up in the 80s or the early 90s, you remember this dessert. It showed up at every church social. It's always in a school cookbook or a church cookbook. It's just one of those tried and true recipes, and most everyone likes it. I started by just mixing up a large box of instant vanilla pudding with 3 cups of cold milk, and I just mixed that together with 1 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, and I put on the bottom of this 9x13 pan just a layer of graham crackers, and you just pour half of the mix on top of those graham crackers and you just smooth it flat. Next, you're just going to add another layer of graham crackers straight from the package and just make it as flat as possible. You're going to have to break up some graham crackers just to get it to fit all across the top of this layer into this pan. So now you just pour the rest of the pudding Cool Whip mixture on top of this graham cracker layer, and then smooth that out as best you can. Then you add 1 final layer of graham crackers. Just break them up, get them to fit on the top of this pan the best that you can. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be pretty, just has to be even. And this is one of the recipes that I did feature in my cookbook, Just Desserts. There it is right there. That's a much prettier picture than what I end with here because honestly I forgot to take a picture when I was filming this. So I did make the chocolate topping on the stovetop. I've got a stick of butter, a cup of sugar, a cup of milk, and 1/3 cup of cocoa. And you just bring this all to a boil, just right on the stovetop. And you just whisk it up and let it boil for just 1 minute. And then you're going to take it off of the stove and you're going to pour it on top of that final graham cracker layer, which I completely forgot to get footage of. And there you have it. It's all ready to serve right here. We're dishing it out. I hope you try it. It's a very simple recipe. I'll have more of these coming up soon. Thank you so much for watching, and if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and I will see you very soon.